In today's session, we are going to talk about Zoho CRM mail merge. The mail merge can grab a document, let's say a Word document or a Zoho Writer document, and merge existing data on this document. As an example, I have here a simple NDA document that's supposed to be sent to my fake clients. And in this page, you can see one of my fake clients. So the idea is that I will be able to click on a button, and then this document will be pre-populated with the information of my client, and that will be sent to them. Now, you can also achieve this function using going to the print preview, select here one of my email templates, and then the information will be pre-populated, and then you will be able to send to print this information. Okay, so this is one option. The only problem with this option is that you can do it for individuals. So let's say that I want to send a letter to 100 of my clients. That cannot be done using the email templates. I will need to use the mail merge. Another reason to use the mail merge will be if you want to send a document for signature to one or more people. Of course, you can also do it with Zoho Sign, but with Zoho Sign, as far as I know, you can do it only for one person, to an individual, and not for a batch. So today we are doing mail merge. So let's begin by going to the settings icon on the top. We'll go to templates, and you can see at the top that you have three options: email inventory and mail merge. So we're going with, that's right. Once you're clicking on mail merge, you can or click on new template, and then you will need to create a template by yourself, which we're not going to do. And you can see that you have a blank, which you can actually create the document, or you can use an existing template from what Zoho is giving you. In our option, I am going to upload an existing document. So I will click here on this small upload. It looks like a download, but it's an upload, just believe me. So you click on this button, you click on template name, we'll call it NDA, we'll choose the file. And by the way, if you see here, the name of the file is LowDepot. I'm using lowdepot.ca for all my documents, saving me thousands of dollars, and I don't need to pay lawyers for different type of documents. At the top, let's click here on leads, and let's go to contacts, because I like to merge a specific contact and not a lead. And we'll click on import. Once you're done, you click on the NDA document, and this is where we are going to start creating this template. Because if you will see the template right now, you have all those blanks, and those blanks supposed to have real information from my record. So let's click here on edit. It takes about 20 seconds until the entire merge is loading. And from here, it's relatively simple. You will see on the left side the different fields that are part of your record. And on the right side, you will see all the places that you can fill the information. So let's say that here, dated this and the day. I will go here, I will select the field NDA contract date. And as you can see here, it was pre-filled. Off, and that will be the month, NDA contract month, and we have also the year. Okay, so I think by now you got the idea. You just need to select the right fields. You just change them. For example, here you have the company name. Here you're supposed to have the company name of the client and his address. So I will delete this field I will write here account, click on account name, and here I will have the address. Now the address will be, for example, multiple fields. So if I will search for Mailing Street, space, and then we have the city, so Mailing City. So this is really how you do it, and you merge the entire document. Whenever you're happy with the document, you click on Done and you click on Proceed. If you want to check what you did so far, let's go back to Nicole Kidman, which is my fake client, and I will go to the three dots on the right side and I will choose Mail Merge. Now, while you are using the Mail Merge, it will show you the different templates that you have. Currently, I have only one template, not that difficult. And the name, I think, is explaining what we're going to do here. And we click on Merge. Now, the idea is that all the fields that you have here are going to be pre-populated by the information. On the left side, you can see the preview merge, which you can see how Zoe is changing the information with the real person information. So this is how it looks like. Everything looks good. And let's say that if that's what we want, we can continue with this document. Next, we have here different options. You can do a new merge, individual files. You have your different options. I think the most common will be the sign, which you can sign the doc, send your client for a signature, or you can send it as a mail merge. Now I can tell you also from experience, 99% of my usage with the mail merge, it's doing it automatically in the background. So for example, when someone is registering me as his Zoho partner, I am sending him automatically a coupon. Now the coupon is supposed to be pulled from Teachable. So I'm pulling from Teachable, creating a mail merge with a nice document and inserting the coupon code in this mail merge, and it's being sent automatically. So all that can be done automatically without any intervention, which is very cool, right? I'm a big fan of doing nothing, as you can see. Okay, so we are going to click now on merge and send sign. This is exactly the purpose of this document. And just to remind you, you can do it also for batch, or you can, by the way, also print. So you can do lots of stuff with the mail merge, and I really recommend you exploring this option. So once we clicked on run merge, you can see here that you have the different Zoho sign options. You can enter here the different details, and whenever you're ready, you can send it for the person to sign it. Of course, you can also add yourself. It's exactly like Zoho Sign because it is Zoho Sign. Now, one more cool thing that you can do, let's say that you're working on a bunch of contacts, okay? And then on the top, if you click on the three dots, you will have here the mail merge. So you can select a document, you can click on merge, and you can send this document to a bunch of people, which I think it's very cool. Very soon you will see on the right side the list of all those people. Let me just do that. And you can see here the different people that you can send the document to. Now, some of them don't have all the information. This is why you see it's empty. And Nicole Kidman was the only one that I added all the information, and this is why you see it's good, right? So this is also a way for you to do it. And by the way, when you're going to the mail merge, you can see on the top exactly the same things that you saw before. You can download, you can email, you can send for signature. So it's very, very nice. So bottom line, the mail merge function, really, really cool. It allows you to create documents. It allows you to merge them with real information from your clients. It allows you to send it as an email, print it, send it for signature. Very cool. So that's the session that I wanted to show you today. I highly recommend you to try and use it. I will see you in the next session.